Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Honeydue couples financing app. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your credit or debit card account and link it with your app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Honeydue application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, then proceed forward with your email address as well as your login code. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the activity page. Now, if you wish to link or add your credit card or debit card to your account, then go ahead and tap on Balances. From here, you can add your checking accounts, your savings as well as investment, and also your credit and debit card. Tap on the Add button at the top right corner, and now you can either connect through your bank, if it is supported with the application, or you can also add your account manually. Choose whichever option you wish, and you can then proceed with entering your credit card title, as well as your bank name. Then choose the currency, and enter your current balance. And now within the account type section, make sure to choose your credit or debit card. After choosing your account type, you can also choose whether this belongs to only the individual who is adding, or whether this is a joint card. After making your desired selection, you can tap on the Save button. And now your credit card has been added and linked with your Honeydue application right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to link your credit or debit card on the Honeydue couples financing app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.